Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $2,000 within few hours trading pound USD. All right, so this concept is very simple, and if you have been following us before now, this is what we have been, showing you guys, and how we trade profitably by understanding a simple market structure. All right, guys, so this was my trade. This was my entry. 1.27574, and this was actually the time we closed it. Okay, so before we close it, we captured these screenshots. All right, so I want to show you the thought process before we enter this two trade on pound USD, and how you can position yourself also to take this kind of trade, as market makes data available for you guys. All right, so looking at pound USD, we have been trading this pair of recent, and it's been very profitable. And what we can see here is a clear market structure, guys. Okay, so what was our thought process? Let me establish the concept that we trade. If you've followed us before now, you believe that we have this simple concept that whenever there's an impulse, after the impulse is completed, in a corrective structure, we have this impulse again. So we have an impulse, we have a correction, and we have another impulse. All right, so this concept is the wave analysis that we follow every here and then. Now we're able to see this coming. This is a 1 hour chart, and if I should take you behind the scene, you will see actually that the market has been in downtrend. Okay, so whenever the market is in downtrend, all you're waiting for is for a pullback, and there we have it here. After this wave, we saw this as a corrective structure, and we're expecting another true wave to come down. So then, was it yesterday, we traded this. So when this sharp pullback happened, okay, I was like, okay, wait a minute, what is going on? Okay, and we start seeing this sharp down and corrective move up. All right, so that was what gave us the confidence that, okay, good, since we have experienced this sharp down, sharp up, another sharp down, and the market is correcting in this phase, guys. So what should we expect? We should be expecting once this move is completed, then another move will be coming down that we complete this move down. The reason behind our trade, go down to 30 minutes chart, we have the sharp move down, and we have a corrective structure, we have this move down again. So you can see impulse, correction, impulse. So we enter the trade here, and we caught this move, guys. That was how we're able to make that. Now that has come and gone. Now what can you see as a trader to be able to catch the next move? Now there are many possibilities of this happening, but the first that might happen, and from our analysis, might be, okay, if there is a strong confirmation at this point, there might be another sharp move up. Okay, this sharp move up might correspond with this first sharp move up to give us this way before this comes down to this point, and then it goes. All right, so we are expecting something like this to play out. Okay, but it might not necessarily work this way, but this is the first expectation that we have on pound USD at this time. Now secondly, it depends on what actually happens here, okay? Because most times you don't need to overanalyze the market, because overanalysis can lead to paralysis most times. So we just want to keep it simple and see what the data will give us, because we don't take actions except the market has given us enough data to make that informed decisions. All right, so likewise here, we were able to take this trade downwards here, all because we saw an impulse down. This is a corrective move, and there will be an impulse down that will correspond this move. Okay, so but on the 4 hour, it's still very, very bearish, but let's see how it goes. But no matter how, there must be a reaction at this point, guys. There must be a reaction, that will pull markets back. So let's wait and see. But the most important thing and the beauty part about wave is that every wave is always fulfilled. Like what you see here, this wave is standing as a sharp move up. It's going to be fulfilled in this market. And that is why we're expecting a move up here to complete this. It might be in a running flat, it might be in an expanding flat, and stuff like that. All right, so I just want to give you guys an update and a thought process behind why we took this kind of trade. Now, the question is that would you want to learn this kind of stuff? Now, if the answer is yes, why not learn it for yourself? We're here to help you. You can join the Telegram group using the link below. And also, we have a mentorship class that is going on. We're just taking a few students to help them explain why we do what we do and how you can also take advantage of this. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friend. See you in the next video. Thank you.